Have you ever wondered how plants, seemingly lifeless and still, create their own food and energy? It almost feels like magic, doesn't it? But it's not magic, it's photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that converts carbon dioxide into organic compounds, especially sugars, using the energy from sunlight. Despite its complexity, we can break it down into two main stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. The first stage, the light-dependent reactions, takes place in the thylakoids, which are small discs inside chloroplasts. When sunlight hits the chlorophyll, the plant's green pigment, it excites electrons, initiating a flow of energy. This energy splits water molecules into oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere, and hydrogen, which is used in the next stage. Moving on to the second stage, the Calvin cycle. This occurs in the stroma, a fluid-filled space outside the thylakoids. Here, the hydrogen produced in the first stage combines with carbon dioxide from the air. This reaction is facilitated by an enzyme called rubisco and results in the production of glucose, the plant's food, and water. To put it simply, photosynthesis is a process where plants use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. It's a fundamental process for life on Earth, serving as the primary source of food for plants and producing oxygen, which is essential for animal life. So, let's recap. Photosynthesis is a two-stage process. The first stage, the light-dependent reactions, occur in the thylakoids where sunlight splits water into oxygen and hydrogen. The second stage, the Calvin cycle, occurs in the stroma, where hydrogen and carbon dioxide are converted into glucose and water. Through this seemingly magical process, plants not only sustain themselves, but also contribute significantly to sustaining life on Earth. They provide us with the oxygen we breathe and the basis of the food we eat. So next time you see a plant, remember the intricate and vital process it's quietly carrying out. Photosynthesis, the life-sustaining magic of nature.